Hi there, welcome. Thanks for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Violet, and today I'm going to share with you how to make this graduation necklace money lane. And I made this tutorial pretty quick and decided to go ahead and share it with everyone here on my channel because on my Instagram page, I posted a picture and I got so many requests of asking how I made it, if I could please make a tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I made mine. So this one right here, all you do is get the money and then you're going to fold it like an accordion. You fold it the width size of your money, not the length size, and just go ahead and fold it like an accordion, back and forth until you completely fold the entire dollar bill, or in my case this one was a $20 bill. Then you're going to fold that in half just like this, and just go ahead and squeeze it pretty tight and make sure that you fold it where it stays in place. Then I grabbed one of these little hair ties that you can get at Dollar Tree. There's about 100 of them in one package. Then I used these double little sticking dots, and I'm going to add one to one side of my accordion dollar, and then I'm going to fold that back in half just like this, and then just press on it nice and firm, and it stays in place and it doesn't damage the money. All you can do is peel it off and remove it, and there you have your money. And I did that to both sides to make my little flowers. So that's how I made it, and you can make as many as you like. Now, in order to make the necklace itself, I grabbed two different ribbons, and both of these are from Dollar Tree, tied a knot. Now to start this, it's pretty hard, but hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Basically, you just make two bunny ears. Then you're going to place one of those bunny ears inside the other one. And then you're going to have to hold it, kind of push it down all the way to the bottom, and then hold it. And then you're going to pull the opposite ribbon. So like I said, it's kind of hard to start, but once you start it, you're pretty good. So there goes that one yellow button, or the second bunny ear. Now you're going to hold and make a second bunny ear with the ribbon that you just pulled in there. Thread it through that yellow one. And then you're going to run it through and kind of make a big bunny ear. Hold it in place again. Grab your yellow ribbon. I'm going to do it this way. And then you're just going to pull it through that blue one. See how I'm doing it? So once you get it started, it's pretty easy and you don't even have to hold it as much. It's just getting started that it's kind of hard. But just go ahead and make your bunny ears. Here's the blue one. Then I'm going to grab my yellow one, make two bunny ears, run that one bunny ear through the other one, which is through the blue one in my case. Pull that blue one. Now don't pull it too tight. Just pull it enough to where it's nice and secure with the other ribbon. Then you're going to pull that blue one through the yellow. Hold it really nice and tight. Well, not too tight, but firm. Then pull that yellow ribbon. Then you're going to do another bunny ear with the yellow one. Run it through the blue one. And then pull that bunny ear out. Pull that blue bunny ear down and just kind of secure it, and then just continue that process until you are happy with the length of lanyard that you made, depending on how long of a necklace you want. Now this is for a girl, so I did make it about, I want to say 24 inches in length, and I used roughly around 5 yards of each one of these ribbons. These ribbons are from Dollar Tree, so I use one roll basically for this project. So just continue doing that until you're happy. Once you're happy with the size of necklace you made, go ahead and grab all of your monies. And then I'm just grabbing these glitter twist ties, and I'm going to cut them in about 3 sections, these ties, and then I'm going to run it through my money. And you're going to see me just run it through on opposite side, pull it, and then twist it about 2 times, just so I can have something to attach my money onto my necklace. And then just hold it. And you're going to do this to all of the money that you're going to make your flowers. Now just go ahead and grab your ribbons and tie a knot any way you can. What I did was I left one of the bunny ears, so you see me running my ribbon through that bunny ear to attach it, and then I'm going to tie a knot with the blue and the yellow ribbon. And then once I did that and I knotted it about 3 times, I removed all that extra ribbon strings. And as you can see, I made this on my bed. I wasn't planning on making a tutorial for this, so this was just something that I was doing again as a gift. So I was just watching TV on my bed and decided to record it to use it for my Instagram. But since I was, again, got such a demand on requests of how to make this, I decided to go ahead and try to edit it and make it as much as clear as possible for everyone here on my channel. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing and enjoy this tutorial, because you don't need to do this just for graduations. You can do this for any kind of wedding, party gift, birthday gift, anything like that that you want to give money, just in a different, unique way of giving money. So as you can see, I just twisted my ribbons through those little twist ties through my ribbons to tie my money onto my necklace. Now what I'm going to do is make a bow. So what I did was I grabbed some silver glitter ribbon. This is a little bit thinner, and this one's from Michael's. Then I grabbed this ribbon that says class of 2020. Again, I got these from Michael's, and right now, well, when I purchased them, they were 50% off. So they were only a few dollars, and I have a lot of that extra ribbon left. So what I did was cut them in strands and roughly about 5 inches each. And now you can see that I'm just making stars with my ribbon. I'm not going to make little bows, but I'm going to make a different kind of bow just by layering all of my ribbons. And you can layer as many as you like. I'm just layering one at a time, just kind of changing the way I'm laying my ribbon down to make that form that star. Once I decided to do how many I wanted to, I grabbed another one of those twist ties and just basically grabbed all my ribbons and put that twist tie right in the center. And then I'm just going to tie a knot with those twist ties to form my bow. And as you can see, and once I twisted that, I went ahead and grabbed an extra piece of that 2020 ribbon and made an actual just simple bow. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the silver ribbon, just make a simple bow to tie on top of that. And that's how I made my larger bow for my gift. But you can make any kind of bow you like, just using any kind of ribbons. I'm using the colors of her high school, so these are the colors that she has. And now here is my necklace, and then all I'm going to do is grab my bow that I made and just tie it right on top of where the money ends at the beginning of my necklace. So all I did, again, with those twist ties, just wrapped it around the ribbon, kind of inserted it through my necklace ribbon. And then I did tie this one quite a bit, because hopefully she'll keep this and that bow will stay on there permanently. The money, I didn't do it as many times, the twist, because I know she'll be removing that little by little eventually. I'm sure she'll use that for her gas money at college or whatever she wants to use it for. So now all I'm doing is just kind of tidying up the corners and all that of my bow, and just making those edges all nice and pretty, and made them in angles. And there you have it. Now I purchased these little sticker balloons from Michael's as well, and all I did was remove this sticker backing and just add them onto one to my bow. And then there was 3 in a package, so I added the other 2 little balloons, just kind of spread them out through the money decor that I put on this necklace. And there you have it, a really pretty and cute, unique way of giving money as a gift for graduations like I am, or birthdays, quinceañeras, so many different options and so many different gift ideas that you can do with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to make it. If you did and you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below, and also share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.